Look here, Bo. Yep. Look here. Nope. Here's what we're looking for, baby. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Good job. You going to get them all? So watch you don't get hooked. He spiked me. He's spiking me. Let me get him right fast. Got him? All right, let me get some water in the bucket. Look, show him up here. This is what we're trying to catch today, fellers. Just to go home and stock the pond we got at home. Get him in, buddy. All the way in. Oh, yes, sir. Yeah, we'll catch. You want to hold him? Show the camera. Gotcha. Right there. Just throw him in. That's why I said just throw him in. You got him in? There he goes. All right, come on. Get him in. Get him in. Get him in. Pick it up now. Pick it up. Pick it up. Oh, yeah. Now, this is what we... Yeah. Yeah, look at that. That's oops, I dropped him. Pick him up there. All right, guys. I wasn't recording, but look. But look at this fella right here. Can you get him? Don't let him go. Don't get hooked. Here, let me unhook him. Hold him tight. Hold him tight. You got him? Got him tight?
Yeah.
Give me just a second. All right. Drop your pole. Shoulder up here. Lay it up here. You got to release him again. He ain't big enough. Throw him back in. Uh-oh. Get him before he goes in. There he goes. Well, get him right fast. Throw him in the water. There you go. Say, see you next time. There it goes.